Good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas number 180.
MathIdeas number 180. Today we're going to learn about counting in binary. And you told me you've heard about this before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's good. And maybe you'll learn a little bit more about something you already know. So when we write down numbers like 382, do you know what that means?
It means like 300 plus 80 plus 2.
Very good. It means 300 plus 80 plus 2. This is just shorthand for saying 300 plus 80 plus 2. And the reason we like writing it this way instead is this just takes too long.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And what does 2043 mean?
2000 plus 40 plus 3.
2000 plus 40 plus 3. And I'm going to write it this way. 2000 plus 0 times 100 plus 40 plus 3. So we have 2 1000s, no 100s, 4 10s, and 1 3. Mm-hmm. And can you hand me that eraser by your foot? And that's what the usual way of counting is we have any number. We'll do one more. How about 6,204? Just means 6 times 1,000 plus 2 times 100 plus 0 times 10 plus 4 times 1. Now, is there anything special? What do you know that's special about 1, 10, 100, 1,000?
They're all in the 10s.
They're all in the tens. What would come next? If I made a list, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, what would be the next number?
100,000.
No, not quite. What do I do each time in my list? I multiply by
10.
10, and then I multiply by 10 to get 100, multiply by 10 to get 1,000. So what's 1,000 times 10?
It's 10,000.
10,000. 10,000. And what's next?
And then 10,000 is 100,000.
100,000. Very good. 100,000. So that's base 10. And there's nothing really special about counting with powers of 10. It just makes our life a little easier, right?
Yeah.
But we can do it with other numbers too. Mm-hmm. And today what we're going to learn about is binary, which uses powers of 2. So we're going to use powers of 2 instead of powers of 10. Okay? And so the first power of 2, we have 1, then we multiply by 2 to get 2, then we get 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is
8.
8.
And 16.
Then 16.
32.
32.
64.
Whoa, 64. You know a lot of these.
128.
128.
256.
Whoa, 256.
512.
How do you know all these?
1024.
1024.
2048.
2048. Okay.
Okay. 4096.
Very good. Wow. Okay. So these are going to be our powers. So we're going to write numbers with powers like this. And then the neat thing about binary is you only use zeros and ones. Okay, so a number looks like this. 1, 0, 1, 1. And when you write in binary, you put a little 2 at the bottom. It's a little tiny 2 to say that means binary. So this means this is, I'm going to write this. This is the 1's digit. This is the 2's digit. This is the 4's digit. And this is the 8's digit. So this means 1 times 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Okay. 1 times 8, 0 times 4, 1 times 2, and 1 times 1.
So we have to add
So this is the same as 8 plus
plus 2 plus 1
2 plus 1, which is what?
is 11.
11. Okay, so this is the number in base 10 that we usually call 11. So I'll say 11 in base 10 equals 1011 in base 2. Okay, and we'll do one more example to keep this video short today, and then we'll keep going tomorrow. So I don't just give me a binary number. Say a bunch of ones and zeros. However you want.
10110.
10110. Okay, this is a great binary number. Okay, so this is the ones digit, the twos digit, the fours digit, the eights digit, and what?
The 16 digit.
Okay, so this number is
1 times 16.
1 times 16
is 0 times 8.
0 times 8.
1 times 4.
1 times 4.
1 times 2 and 0 times 1.
Okay. So that
is 16.
16
plus 4 plus 2.
plus 4 plus 2, which is
16 plus 4 is 20. That's 22.
22. So we say 22 base 10 is 10110 base 2. Okay? So tomorrow we'll practice a little more about how the numbers work, and then we'll see how you add and subtract in binary. Whoa, that'll be fun. Don't you think? Okay, high five. Good job today, huh? Good job today.